The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for Emmett J. Charnett and Addison Townsend. Emmett is a white male born on November 26, 2013. He is 4 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 100 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. Addison is a white female born on August 15, 2008. She is 5 feet 4 inches tall and weighs 120 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. They went missing on September 23, 2021 at 10:40 a.m. They were last seen in Malvern, which is in Hot Spring County. They may be traveling with Nicole Charnett, a 33-year-old white female. The suspect is 5'6" inches tall with brown hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a black 2008 Mercury Milan with Arkansas license plate 473ZPJ. If located, please call the Malvern Police Department at 501-332-3636.